Knee and hip surgery could become a thing of the past, with Perth researchers finding a simpler way to treat people with chronic tendon damage. The unique stem cell therapy uses a patient's own healthy tissue to enable the body to repair itself without going under the knife.
For Perth father Dean Allison, kicking a ball and playing like this with his children was out of the question 12 months ago.
You kick it.
No.
The police officer suffered a bad knee injury as he arrested a violent offender in 2012.
I felt the initial tear and knew something wasn't right. I couldn't sort of bear weight on it, hobbling around, and went straight off to hospital.
The problem was a torn patella tendon. 3 rounds of surgery and physiotherapy failed to fix his injury, and the 41-year-old was losing hope until his surgeon recommended a new form of stem cell therapy developed at Murdoch University.
It's been life-changing, really. I've gone from facing the fact that I'm going to have this pain in some form for pretty much the rest of my life to being 100% recovered.
The company that developed the Orthocell treatment says it's minimally invasive, using a patient's healthy cells to regenerate damaged tissue. The procedure costs $3,500, but isn't yet covered by Medicare or private health insurance. Surgery for chronic tendon injuries can cost up to $12,000. Out-of-pocket costs vary for each patient.
Some patients have had 7 prior interventions before having a successful outcome with ATI. So that has a very large cost burden on society.
After successful clinical trials in Perth, Orthocell says it's now looking to expand into the US and Europe, meaning millions of patients around the world will benefit from this homegrown technology. Following Orthocell treatment, patients regain full function within 3 months, compared to up to 9 months after surgery. The company says the procedure is also much less painful, usually lasting around 2 weeks.
There's often very little solutions for these patients, and as a result of that, it frustrates the clinicians who care for them.
Cassandra Bain, 9 News.